Well, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Jenny, and we're going to talk about this 4-day sale for the 4th of July, as well as a diaper deal that saves you 60%. And if you got little ones, well, you want to know. So come on in and like and share the video first thing on your way in. Thank you very much for doing so. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, go ahead, hit that subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our daily deals and our awesome information. Well, we deliver it daily, just like the newspaper. And unlike the newspaper, we got good stuff to tell you. Alright, please let the video play all the way to the end. Even if you don't want to hear my voice anymore, just turn it down. Watch time is super important, as well as how many people watch the video. YouTube really is wanting us to have 1,000 views of video, so asking your friends to just share it. They don't have to like it or watch it. Just ask your friends to push it along. It's so important, and they're helping you, and they're helping thousands of other folks at the same time. So I truly appreciate it, and tell them that I appreciate it. Leave a comment. If you need a certain scenario, put it in the comments. We'll try to get you one. Or somebody in there. One of our crazy friends may already have one set up for you. Because our needs are similar, but most of our needs are different. But one thing we all need is the same, and that's to save our money. So to that end, come on in, because we're going to talk about saving a big chunk. Alright guys, sorry about the long beginning spiel, but we had to burn up some time because the 4-day sale is short and sweet, and that Huggy deal is so short and sweet, you're going to be wanting to be putting your shoes on while you're watching it if you got kiddos, because you can do this deal any day of the week because you've got that 5 off 25, and they're even giving you paper 5 off 25s in the store. So if you want to use these during the week, go buy you something, go make a purchase, you'll get another one, and rinse and repeat, guys. Alright, what we got going on? Well, we got the 4 for $13 sale on the Pepsi products going on, and you've got 2 different Pepsi deals that you can do with this. You can do the 4 for $13 and 2 of these Lay's, well, 4 of these Lay's potato chips, okay? And you're going to be saving $8 cash money. And the reason for that is we've got 2 coupons that are store coupons, and they're glitching and attaching, okay? So I'm going to show you real quick on some paper. Okay, everybody, here it is on the math. 4 of the Lay's potato chips going to be $9.95. You've got a $4 off when you purchase Lay's and a Pepsi product, okay? 4 12-packs of Mountain Dew for $13. You've got another $4 store coupon when you spend $14 on Mountain Dew products. We're also going to get the single can of Mountain Dew for $1.25 and 3 boxes of the Kraft macaroni and cheese. You're at $27.20. Now, because this is glitching and both of these are store coupons, I'm still pretty sure we're going to have to go over by the $8, okay? But we're only at $27.20 with these items right here. Now, you can do one of 2 things. You could either go get $6 worth of product on something else, okay? Or stock up on this macaroni and cheese. Get 6 more boxes of this macaroni and cheese, okay? Or you can add 2 Klondike bars that are on sale, 2 for $8, and you got a $2 coupon. It's going to make them 2 for $6. So those are a variety of items that you can do to make this deal work and give you more bang for your buck as far as food items. Now, your final out-of-pocket after everything is said and done is $18.20. Now, this is where earns come in. If you have any earns, of course, you would put it towards this, because all of this is food products. And, well, some things that you don't get on Snap anymore. So if you're in a place where you don't get your sodas anymore on Snap, or chips on Snap, I'm not sure if ice cream is included, but this is a way to still be able to get them, and to get them cheaply. So for $18.20, you're going to get 4 Lays, 4 12-packs, or excuse me, 3 12-packs. And we went with the 3 12-packs because we have the $2 extra manufacturer coupon. 1 single 16-ounce Mountain Dew, and 3 boxes of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Okay. So, oh, and 2 Klondike bars. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 items. Okay. And even more if we break it down to the single cans, because we know exactly how much they cost. So let's do a breakdown for you. Guys, I neatened it up a little bit for you. If we count the single cans of Mountain Dew, you're looking at 39 cents an item. 39 cents an item, guys. Or if you're just counting the products, which is the boxes, you know what I mean, you're looking at $1.40 per product. So winner chicken dinner all day long on this deal. So if you're looking for a 5 off 25 scenario that's worthy, this one's it. And it will work great for your 4th of July celebration. Now, let's talk about what this video is actually about. Because this next deal, well, if you got a baby, this deal's for you. And you need to know. We've got 2 different types of diapers that we've got coupons for. We've got a 5 off of 2 Huggies and a 2 off on Loves, and then we also have a coupon for Pampers. But the Pampers are really pricey, so we're going to stick with the Loves and the Huggies and use our 5 off 25 coupon that we've got to do an awesome scenario where we get these diapers, basically 3 for the price of 1.5. Okay, let's talk about this Huggies deal real quick. You see what I got there? In this 5 off 25 scenario, my granddaughter needed some diapers, and my daughter called me. She was wanting a coupon for a bag of Love's diapers, and I was just like, well, hold up. We got a 5 off 25 for the week. Let's do a deal. So, we got 2 Huggies because we have a $5 off of 2. We got the 1 Loves because we've got a $2 off of that one. Okay? And we needed $1 to make up the difference because we were just shy $1 of 25. So we picked up a piece of candy for $1. Okay? Hard to find those dollar pieces of candy. But look, we had our 5 off 25 come off, our 5 off on our Huggies diapers, and our 2 off of our Loves come off. That left an out-of-pocket of $13, guys. $13 for 3 packs of diapers. That's a winner chicken dinner. So, if you got kiddos, you got those 5 off 25s, the paper versions, as well as the digital versions, and you got more than one account, go do this deal twice. If you do this deal twice, you will be paying $26 out of pocket, and you'll get 6 bags of diapers. Yeah. So blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon, because this week is going to be full of scenarios, not just deals. Blessings.